food, the basic need of human being. These days, all over the world, largest amount of energy is spent on cooking. India has 1.2 crore of population. Vehicles, industry, businesses need energy. Besides, it is used for cooking as well. Altogether, 40% energy is utilized for cooking. Not only in domestic use, but in canteens, messes, and other public kitchens use a huge amount of energy to cook food. While cooking, considerable amount of energy is lost and not comes in use completely. Due to traditional methods of cooking, big cooking pots, open place burners, gas, electric burners, almost 80 to 90% energy is released in atmosphere in the form of steam from the sides of pots. Keeping in mind all these problems and limitations, UDCT, the recent ICT institution, had started research, and after tremendous efforts, they have invented the Eco Cooker. Wedding ceremonies, residence school, religious trusts, hostels, messes, industrial canteens, and in other public places, almost 200 to 2000 people are fed. And cooking for such a large number of people wastes energy too. We use pots and water to cook food. Food starts cooking at 75 degrees Celsius. So the temperature of pot and water have to be brought up to 75 degrees Celsius, which consumes quite a large amount of energy, approximately 80 to 90%. When the temperature reaches the cooking point of the food, it takes less energy to get cooked completely. Exactly this procedure has been considered to design scientific structure of Eco Cooker, which does not let 80 to 90% waste and save a good amount of gas. Using right amount of energy at right time makes food tasty and also preserves the nutrition, which helps the individual as well as economy at large. If we try to understand it in terms of economy of the waste of energy during cooking, it shows that rupees 800 gas goes waste out from 1000 rupees. If we give a serious thought on the average of our vehicle, in the same way, we should think about the wasting of energy on cooking. The wonder has been made real by the EcoSense by creating Eco Cooker. With the help of Eco Cooker, not only we can develop business, but also it improves the quality and keep the business firm ahead in market. EcoSense Appliances Private Limited, in collaboration with ICT, has created the Eco Cooker and have taken steps for saving energy. Eco Cooker has shown that it can save almost 75% of gas. Let's try to understand the working and design of Eco Cooker. And this is top cover. These are pots of the Eco Cooker. These are pot covers. This is bubble plate. This is pull tray of the Eco Cooker. This is stand of Eco Cooker. This is water bath. Work procedure. How the EcoSense Eco Cooker manages to save 75% energy. Let's see. It's observed that the energy for cooking food in a pot receives energy from the bottom side only and other sides remain untouched. Due to this, the energy goes unused from the sides of the pot. But this does not happen while cooking in Eco Cooker. Because the water bath designed to keep hollow space between the outer and inner container, and that vacant space traps the energy and uses it completely and stops it from loss. The steam released during cooking is also very significant and can be useful. Generally, this steam goes straight upwards and mingles in the surrounding atmosphere, which causes the wastage of energy. But the Eco Cooker traps it inside and it cannot escape the pot because there is no outlet wall to the Eco Cooker. The steam remains inside the pot until the food gets totally cooked or until we open the pot. This trapped steam keeps the food warm and fresh till then. In the earlier stage of cooking, food takes a lot of time because the energy is used to boil water and also the food material. It means that the food gets heated first and then gets cooked. Mostly the food is cooked in these two steps. Generally, rice takes 74 degrees Celsius and utensils or dal takes 92 degrees Celsius to cook. If the temperature is less than required, the food becomes warm but does not get cooked, which subsequently needs more energy. It means that once the food is warm, it takes less amount of energy to get cooked completely. Generally, during cooking, we heat the pot and then decrease the energy level. In such a case, the atmosphere absorbs the heat of the pot and brings down its temperature, which automatically takes longer time to cook the food. It means the processes consume considerable amount of energy. On the other hand, the Eco Cooker is designed like a thermos, which has two layers, that is the outer container and inner container, which stops the wastage of energy and saves a good amount of it. Initially, a large amount of energy is provided to heaten up the food, and then the energy level is decreased up to the level of requirement for cooking it. The Eco Cooker is provided with two knobs, that is yellow and red. When both the knobs are on, it provides larger amount of energy to heaten up the food. When we switch off the red knob, it provides only the required energy for cooking food. Eco Cooker keeps balance of the inner side temperature and saves maximum energy to cook food quickly. The cooking process. Now let's understand the cooking procedure of the Eco Cooker. When you switch on the yellow and red, both the knobs of Eco Cooker, the water starts boiling and the steam is created inside the Eco Cooker. This steam comes into contact with the pots inside the Eco Cooker and provides heat to the food and water. When this steam gets cold, then it's collected in the form of water in the water bath. This procedure is repeated continuously. The constant provision of heat warms the food quickly. Keeping in mind this procedure, the plates on all the three pots have been arranged. These plates have been designed convex in shape so as to provide steam at the bottom side of the upper pots. It means 360-degree cooking takes place. All the pots receive equal amount of energy at the same time. It consumes less energy to cook the food after it gets warm in the Eco Cooker. When the food inside doesn't need the energy, it starts producing excessive steam. This excessive steam starts coming out from the joint between the water bath and the top cover. It indicates that it needs less amount of energy to cook the food. Then you should switch off the red knob so as to provide less energy with the help of yellow knob to cook the food in best way. Eco Cooker cooks the food on the right temperature and protects it from losing vitamins and minerals and makes the food nutritious. When you cook food in regular pots, the food gets cold immediately, and when the food comes into contact with atmosphere, creates infestation which wastes the food. Eco Cooker does not create pressure to cook food, but it uses steam and so doesn't need gasket. It makes the Eco Cooker safer and also maintenance free. The component parts of the Eco Cooker and its design have been made scientifically that gives rise to energy conservation. It's very easy to use Eco Cooker for saving 75% of energy and tasty food. Installation of the Eco Cooker. First of all, connect all the parts of the Eco Cooker together. Connect gas regulator to cylinder. The second outlet of the regulator pipe should be joined to pull tray. Then pour some soap water on the side joints to get ensured that there is no leakage. In case the soap water on the joint shows bubbles, it suggests that there is some leakage. Reconnect the pipes from both the sides and re-examine the leakages. Fit the pull tray in the socket in the stand so that the pull tray does not slide upwards. The regulator connected to the Eco Cooker can be used with gas cylinders of renowned companies. Preparation for cooking food. The slowly cooked food materials like utensils or dal should be kept in the bottom pot in water for some time period and then start to cook it. Before putting the pots on one another, cover them with plates so that the plates create space between pots. Important procedures to follow during cooking various food materials. Rice should be kept in water for 5 minutes before cooking. The water proportion should be 2.5 liters for 1 kg rice. Rice can be cooked in any of the 3 pots. Maximum 3 kg rice can be cooked in each pot. 2 utensils should be kept in water for 45 minutes before cooking. The water proportion should be 3 liters for 1 kg. The bottom pot should be used for cooking utensils. 3 kg utensils can be cooked in this pot. Instead of idli pot, idli stand should be used to cook idlis. 150 idlis can be cooked at a time in the Eco Cooker. The cooking procedures. Put water bath on the stand. Pour maximum 3 liters of water into the water bath. Put bubble plate in the water bath. The food material which takes longer time period should be kept in the lowest pot, which has to put in the water bath. Cover it with the pot cover. Fill the upper pots with vegetables or rice and also cover them with pot covers. Put top cover on the water bath. Check leakage in the joints. Start regulator of cylinder. Switch on yellow knob first and start burner. Next, switch on the red knob. Now the flames in ample quantity will be seen. The cooking had started taking place. After 20 to 25 minutes, you can see the steam coming out from the joint. Having seen the steam, switch off the red knob. You can see the flames on burner have lessened and the steam has stopped coming subsequently. Continue the process of cooking until the steam comes out from the joint, which may take 35 to 40 minutes. Afterwards, the process should be run for 25 minutes. And then the yellow knob should be switched off, which will stop the gas completely. The eco cooker should not be opened for 30 minutes. If the top cover is not opened and we keep the eco cooker closed, the food can remain warm and fresh for almost 8 to 10 hours. We get well-cooked food from eco cooker. Utensils are cooked on less heat and remains only the work of pressing and giving it tadka. There remains none other work than washing the pots. There is no valve, gasket or safety valve, and that's why there is zero maintenance. Things to follow while using eco cooker. Stand of the eco cooker should be placed on the plain surface. If needed, height of the stand can be raised by using bolts. Gas cylinder and pull tray should be connected carefully. When the eco cooker is not in use, the red, yellow knobs and regulator should be switched off. Make sure that water bath is having water inside. Following things should not be done while using eco cooker. Do not cook food when the top cover is not put on the eco cooker. Do not open the eco cooker for 30 minutes after cooking the food, because those 30 minutes cook the food completely. Otherwise, there will be gap in the process. Once the food is cooked, do not heat the eco cooker again. Do not make changes in the settings of the eco cooker's regulator. There are no words to appreciate the eco cooker. These are the words of users of the eco cooker. Eco cooker is the blessing which not only saves energy but also helps in conserving environment. So let's contribute to protect our environment. Bring the eco cooker to your kitchen and experience the economic, psychological and physical gains. With the progress of business and quality, let's contribute in keeping balance with the environment with the help of the eco cooker.